Joan Pacinabo is an OFW from Taiwan. She wants to know how she can lodge a complaint against the National Statistics Office branch in Lanao del Norte, where her sister Stella's birth certificate is registered. According to Joan, her sister Stella has been using the name Stella Parohinog Pacinabo since grade 1 until she reached college. However, when Stella requested for a copy of her birth certificate, her first name was spelled as Estela instead of Stella, and her last name, Pacinabo, was spelled with the letter S instead of C. Since her sister needed to apply for a passport in order to be able to work abroad, Stella proceeded to the NSO, bringing with her a copy of her parents' marriage certificate and her baptismal certificate bearing the correct spelling of her first and last name. According to Joan, Stella was able to talk with the alleged head of the NSO branch and was promised to be provided the correct document after 2 to 3 months. According to Joan, when Stella kept on traveling to Mindanao in order to follow up her birth certificate, after having incurred for her travels, Stella learned that there was another error in the encoding of whatever documents that were sent to NSO Manila. Joan mentioned that when the reply was sent to her sister, it was stated that the birth certificate bearing registry number 89730 is hereby impugned on the ground that the decision was rendered prior to the acceptance of the verified petition. It has been a year since their request, but her sister's birth certificate has yet to be transmitted to her. Joan remembered that it is not the NSO that makes corrections in the entries of birth certificates, but it should be made by the local register. The NSO is only a repository of all the birth, death, and marriage certificates. You have to file an affidavit for the correction of a mere clerical error. If it involves other substantial matters or entries in the birth certificate, you have to file a petition before the court. Your petition should be in the form of an affidavit. The proceedings will not take long, as it is a mere clerical correction, as evidenced by the fact that it is a typographical error on the spelling of the first and last name of your sister. According to Section 5 of Republic Act No. 10172, your affidavit must be subscribed and sworn to any person authorized by law to administer oaths, indicating therein, among others, particular erroneous entry or entries which are sought to be corrected. It must likewise be supported with a certified true machine copy of the certificate or of the page of the registry book containing the entries sought to be corrected. Second, at least 2 public or private documents showing the correct entry upon which the correction or change shall be based. And third, such other documents which the municipal or the city civil registrar may consider relevant and necessary for the approval of your petition. Be reminded that is based solely on the information you provided us, and it may change depending on any additional information. You are free to consult a lawyer of your choice regarding your legal concerns. Email us at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. Attorney JJ Jimeno, Atienza, for the rule of law.